Do you want to learn a lymphatic massage to do at home? Stick around and I'll teach you the best massage to eliminate coughs and rejuvenate your skin. We start with a little manual drainage. Okay, let's begin by incorporating a small amount of oil, particularly during the morning period, all right? This particular exercise is crucial in order to reduce puffiness in the face. This is an important step that will involve working on the lymphatic ganglion as well. I'll show you how it is. Hey Ruben, don't I have any oil? It's okay, but it would be even better if we had some oil for a little bit of sliding, right? Let's go here, with this on one side. Let's start in the middle of the face. We're going to go a little bit up, and then we go down to the neck, okay? Watch, I start here. 2 little fingers, and go down. I don't have to make the skin go too much, huh? It's here, run down. When you get to the neck, be careful, okay? Don't do it too hard, do it softer. You don't have to turn your head either. I'm doing it so you can see me a little bit better. Okay. We deflate and we also do a little bit of drainage. On the other side, the same way. Here and downwards, about 20 times approximately. Let's go for the second one. Oh, okay, we follow in this case the second one to drain a little bit. We are going to use an oriental spoon. But if you don't have one, that's okay. You can use whatever you have at home. Only in principle a big one, a normal spoon that you have at home. How are we going to do it? Since we already have a little bit of oil on the face, okay? We are going to start on this side and we are going to go to the temples, okay? From the center, more or less here. And here's this path, okay? If you notice a little bit, we're going up, like we want to pull the skin up, okay? That is, we don't want it to go down. Don't do it on top of the bone because it will bother you a little bit. Always do it in the path that the face asks for. It's important. It seems silly, but I think it's important. I have to make it clear to you, eh? Here below, and then we go up. On, right? The other side the same. How long? Well, about 2 minutes. That could be because if you have 2 spoons, you can do it in a minute about 60 times, and if not, then one side and then the other side. Well, let's go with the last and most important massage, Japanese facelift. Tension, right? And we are going to do it in 2 parts. First, we're going to do it deeply. Okay? And we're going to do it in a softer way. Okay? What are we going to do this for, Ruben? Well, I'll explain. To increase circulation and relax the tension in the face. Let's start, okay? First, 2 little fingers always. We're going to work it here. Here we start, okay? On this simple exercise that we already know. And we're going to do this about 10 times. Upwards. We already have this, right? Second, let's go to the forehead and here. We're going to work here. Always there, but a little bit upwards, like making a smile. On the forehead. Now here. And third, okay? We're going to do here. Also about 10 times, and remember, it has to be deep. Okay? And also slow. Let's go to the second part of the massage. Now let's move on to the exercises once again, but this time we'll do them more quickly and not as deeply. We want to activate the skin a little, so let's work on increasing the speed. Right? To provoke that sensation that the skin, well, to create, let's say, the lifting, right? Somehow make the collagen regenerate, right? Then we start, look, we're here. It's not so deep, it's faster. Right? Here 10 times we come up here too. Oh, the mark may remain, I know, but it is to activate, okay? And also there on the neck. Perfect, and now we only have the dot. What? And let's go with the dot that is stomach 3. Yung quilaw or the big hole. Look, but if we are looking or we are seeing where we have the pupil, right? I mean, center of the eye, we go down to the cheekbone, right? Also going down the line of the nose, I mean, not here, a little bit lower, right? Where the finger falls there, right? Here. If you go too far below the cheekbone, it's not there either. If you stay above the bone, it's not there either, okay? It's here. And once you're in the middle, do this a little bit like inward, okay? Remember, this inward, once you get the point, inward, so you can start working it better, okay? Here. We're going to start turning it out. In this case, I have a little bit of oil, almost better without oil. Hey, I'm losing a little bit of it. Well, support yourself with the other finger. Here, I more or less will make 60. Hey, I'm getting tired, Ruben. Well, here. Would be, right? And this point will revitalize the face a little bit. It will give more energy to the face and will mobilize a little bit all the muscles around it. But as always, remember, perseverance. You have to be there doing it for several weeks to notice that your face is much better, and they will probably tell you when you've been doing it for a while. If you enjoyed the lymphatic facial massage, you can rid your body of toxins and experience a slight rejuvenation, just as always. Like, subscribe, and on to healing and beyond.